The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. High-precision attacks launched at the provisional bases of the 81st Air Mobile and the 66th Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Chervonoy Oskol and Studenok in Kharkov region, the 93rd Mechanized Brigade near Bogorodichnoye in Donetsk People's Republic, have resulted in the elimination of over 120 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 tanks and 12 motor vehicles. High-precision attacks launched by Russian Aerospace Forces at the provisional bases of the 35th Marines Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 114th Territorial Defense Brigade near Novogrigorovka and Novaya Odessa in Nikolaev region have resulted in the elimination of over 70 nationalists, more than 15 units of special military equipment and motor vehicles. Concentrated fire attacks launched at the combat positions of the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigade near Ternovka and Andreevka in Kherson region have resulted in the elimination of up to 100 servicemen and 7 combat armored vehicles. Moreover, the workshops of an armored vehicle plant in Nikolaev, tasked to repair the military equipment of the above-mentioned formation, has been destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Dolina, Tatyanovka, Artomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, Lezhino, Kirovo in Zaporozhye region, as well as 49 artillery units, 142 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas, 5 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk, Katerinovka, Dobrovolye in Donetsk People's Republic, Braginovka in Dnepropetrovsk region and Stepnoe in Zaporozhye region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one Su-24 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Novozhelannoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shot down 12 unmanned aerial vehicles near Petrovskoye, Kanzhenkovo, Blagoveshchenka in Donetsk People's Republic, Molodezhnoye, Priozernoye, Muzykovka, Zelenovka, Posad Pokrovskoye and Lubimovka in Kherson region. 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Kherson. Moreover, 27 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS and Olha MRLS have been shot down near Donetsk, Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novaya Kakhovka, Beroslav, Verovka, Tomarino and Vesoloye in Kherson region. In total, 295 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2007 unmanned aerial vehicles, 375 air defense missile systems, 5,038 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 839 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,403 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,719 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, 5 artillery attacks launched at an electrical substation located near the power plant have been recorded. A total of 24 artillery projectiles have been launched from Kiev-controlled Nikopol in Dnepropetrovsk region. One of the engineering buildings has been damaged. Ukrainian artillery units that had been shelling the territory of the nuclear power plant are neutralized by counterfire. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.